You can't really see the depth or the width of the Morris Canal, but it's all dry. There's usually flowing water here. It's because of no rain. But it'll come back. I love you. I love you. Please wait. Please wait. I saw a birdhouse. Somebody has a birdhouse in the woods here, a big one. Next time, or tomorrow, whatever, I'm gonna come and fill it with bird seed. I wish the canal was running. Right above that little hill there are train tracks. Train goes into Hoboken, Secaucus, Newark, Penn Station. It doesn't take you into Manhattan, but it gets you to Hoboken terminal, which has a ferry, like 10-minute ride, 15-minute ride across the Hudson River right to either downtown Manhattan, down near the Wall Street, or Midtown Manhattan. It takes you around Manhattan. It doesn't take you to Brooklyn. You could get to Brooklyn from the city. All right, boy. Bye.